Hello friends, I am Dr. PK Paul. Welcome to my channel. Let's think about life differently and change it. So friends, I am talking to you today about Foundation Morning Nutrition Basket for Bone and Joint Health.
Foundation Morning Nutrition Basket for Bone and Joint Health. Bones and joints provide structure and help movement in our body. Did you know? At birth, humans have approximately 270 bones. This number decreases to 206 by adulthood as some bones fuse together. What are bones? Bones are rigid, calcified structures that make up the skeleton in humans and other vertebrates. Functions of bones: provide support and shape to the body, protect vital organs, facilitate movement through attachment to muscles, store essential minerals, house bone marrow, which produces blood cells. Bone composition: 70% mineral, calcium and phosphorus, 22% protein, 8% water. When young, bone breakdown equals bone formation, therefore, bone health is maintained. However, when you age, bone breakdown greater than bone formation, leading to osteoporosis. What are joints? Joints are movable connections between two bones. Joints give shape to the skeleton and help you move. Three types of joints: fibrous joints, cartilaginous joints, synovial joints. As you age, these joints may deteriorate, leading to joint problems. Factors impacting bone and joint health. Unchangeable factors: age, gender, ethnicity, family history, smaller body frame, hormonal changes. Changeable factors: nutrition, low in calcium, magnesium, vitamins, protein, limited, no exposure to sun. Lifestyle factors: sedentary, excessive alcohol, smoking, overweight, obesity, inadequate sleep, medication. Did you know? 2 out of 10 people suffer from osteoporosis and 5 out of 10 from osteopenia. 1 out of 3 postmenopausal women have osteoporosis. 1 out of 4 Indians suffer from osteoarthritis. Early signs of bone and joint problems. Bones: back pain, change in natural posture, shortness of breath, losing height. Joints: joint pain, stiffness, swelling, redness, decreased motion, clicking or popping sound. Role of amino acids in bone and joint health. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein structure. Essential amino acids, EAAs, work as an energy source and a molecular pathway modulator in bone. Effect of important nutrients on bone health. Calcium: bone mineralization. Vitamin D and K2, improve calcium absorption. Magnesium: bone remodeling and bone strength. Phytonutrient Boswellia, supports cartilage formation, reduces inflammation. Glucosamine, helps in tissue regeneration, builds cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and slows down degeneration. Trace minerals, support cellular function, remodeling structure. Are you getting enough of these nutrients? Fact: 8 out of 10 Indians suffer from micronutrient deficiency. 3 out of 4 Indians are vitamin D deficient. Almost 1 out of 2 Indians are calcium deficient. Why is there a need for supplementation? Busy schedules, lack of time, lack of awareness, not having 4 to 5 servings of fruits and vegetables, overall nutrient depletion in soil, and nutrient loss due to cooking. Importance of morning nutrition in bone and joint health. Bone breakdown is higher at night, and bone formation is higher during the day. Foundation Morning Nutrition Basket, rich in nutrients necessary for supporting bone density and joint function, is the best thing you need for maintaining your overall bone and joint health. It comprises Nutrilite All Plant Protein, Nutrilite Cal Mag D plus K2, and Nutrilite Glucosamine with Boswellia, which come with many health advantages. Protein plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, which helps provide structure and support to bones and joints. Calcium supports bone health. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption in the bones. Vitamin K2 necessary for the normal structure of the bones. Magnesium contributes to the maintenance of normal bones. Zinc helps maintain strong bones. Manganese supports normal formation of connective tissues. Glucosamine helps support normal joint function and mobility. Boswellia supports healthy connective tissues. Bromelain, a natural enzyme, helps maintain healthy connective tissues. Supplementation paired with lifestyle factors can turn back the clock for healthy bones and joints. Lifestyle factors like proper physical activity, including weight-bearing exercises, can significantly help bone and joint health. Feel empowered with Nutrilite's ultimate foundational morning nutrition bone and joint health basket, designed specifically for optimal bone and joint health. Kickstart your day with the right balance of nutrients to enhance your overall musculoskeletal well-being and maintain an active lifestyle.